Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views for Wednesday, April 11, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures trading a bit lower. They're down about 22.5 points at the moment. Right now, they're at 26.32 and 3/4 per contract. Looks like some tension heating up between the United States and Russia. You also had a President Trump tweet out there saying that missiles are coming to Syria. So again, geopolitical events really front and center, and they're dominating the headlines almost on a daily basis. So we'll see how this market plays out today. All in all, though, we have been looking at seesaw markets, meaning up and down markets, for the last several weeks, and really can make a case the last few months. So all in all, nothing should really change there. We'll see how it all plays out. But in the meantime, we're going to take a look at some stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to make some money. First stock we're going to look at is Fastenal. FAST is the ticker symbol here. The stock is getting hit this morning. Closed at $54.42. Company reported earnings today. It is now trading at $52.54. So again, decent little dip. There still seems to be a lot of daily chart support at 52, but after this, you really have to look a lot lower. A level I really love for the equity today would be down around the $45.25 to $45.10 level. Anywhere there, I do think this is a play. Keep it on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. I'm not sure we go down that far, but again, if it got down there, I really like the equity at that level. So we'll see if it does. If not, we'll look for other levels once the opening bell rings, as we always do. But Fastenal is down on the back of earnings, and that will be in play today. Let's take a look at ALOG. This stock is Analogic Corp. This is what we call a take under. So again, this stock was supposed to be bought out, I believe, for around $97, $98 a share, but it is now being bought out for a lesser number, and I believe its total is $1.1 billion. So right now that stock is trading at $83.20. That is down from the $96 area. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes. But that is a take under. There's really not much to do here. Looks like the deal is still going to go through. We'll keep it on the radar. We'll see if anything changes once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at LAYN, which I believe is Lane Christensen. This stock is getting hit this morning, closed at $15.05, now trading at $14.12. There's going to be some decent support around the $12.50 level. If it gets there, that's a big daily chart gap fill you'll see right here. So again, keep that on the radar. Again, another level I like for this would be around $11. I don't know if it'll get down that far, but those are two areas I would get interested in it for a quick scalp trade. So keep them on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at SYNA, which is Synaptics. And what you're going to see here, this was upgraded today, I believe. And the stock right now is trading at $44.90, closed at $44.01. So a good little uptick there. We'll see how it plays out. Not much I'm seeing in the pre-market here to do, but again, we'll keep it on the radar today as it could be in play once the opening bell rings this morning. Let's take a look at FTNT. And this is Fortinet. The stock right now is downgraded this morning, closed at $56.23. Now trading at $54.75. So again, good little downgrade there. We'll keep it on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, right off the bat, I think there's probably pretty good support around $53.75, $53.80, but that's just an intraday level. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Carnival Cruise, CCL. It looks like company raised their dividend, also authorized a $1 billion repurchase program. So the stock right now is trading at $63.30, closed at $63.10. Remember, cruise lines and airlines were hit yesterday pretty hard on the back of higher energy costs, and today you do have crude oil trading up 42 cents. So that's not going to help these stocks, but nonetheless, Carnival is starting to look attractive if you ask me. So we'll see how this one plays out today, and we'll be watching this one closely. Let's take a look at the RSX. For those of you that don't know what this is the Russian ETF, and the stock has been, or the ETF has been really under pressure lately, especially yesterday, and it looks like it's under more pressure today. It closed at 2036 and now trading at 1965. Normally, this ETF goes up with higher oil prices, but that has not been the case lately, and with this Russia U.S. rhetoric going back and forth, This one's under pressure. We'll keep it on the radar. Definitely are some levels coming into play here for some day trade bounces. So RSX will be on our radar today. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold getting a big pop today on the back of the Russian news. And you can see gold today, GLD up 128.28. That's a nice pop. It closed at 127.12. Spot gold up 11 points to $1,356.80 an ounce. So again, gold getting a little rush to safety. People running into gold this morning. If you take a look here at crude oil is also higher by 44 cents to $65.95 a barrel. So crude oil in play today. That is trading at $13.29. All right, that's pretty much it for everything we're seeing this morning. But again, a lot of geopolitical events out here. Now, when we get volatility, we get geopolitical events. That means one thing: we get trade action. We've had great trade action in 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going. We've had a great year so far, and we're going to look to keep that going into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And it's been a great one, and we're going to look to really improve upon it going forward. So come on over, trade right alongside of us, and you'll see everything we're doing. Check it out, 7-day free trial for the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.